Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. Starting now with news, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 0.8% in late trade and US stocks have risen 16% this year. They're only 7% off their 2007 peak. This is all about low interest rates and money printing to try and get the US economy going. And it may be working. US factory output figures out overnight show a rise of 0.4% in September. This was after a bit of a surprise fall in August. And it was better than forecast, so this helped boost US stocks. European stocks were also up after a couple of German lawmakers said they supported a Spanish bid for a bailout. Everyone's waiting for the bailout to trigger the big bazooka. German investor sentiment was also up. They love this idea that the ECB will buy unlimited amounts of Southern European bonds. Meanwhile, a shock resignation overnight by Citigroup CEO Vikram Pandit. He clashed with the board and the shares rose 1%. There's talk of a breakup of Citigroup. Its shares are well below breakup value. However, despite the rise in US stocks, the New Zealand dollar didn't rise. Often it rises and falls in tune with the US dollar. But yesterday we got very weak inflation figures. Just 0.3% of inflation in the quarter and inflation for the year 0.9%. Much lower than expected and below the Reserve Bank's target band. And that means people are expecting 35 basis points of easing, cuts in the official cash rate in the next 12 months. Those who choose to float rather than fix will feel good about that. All this talk of a rate cut makes the New Zealand dollar less attractive, and it fell to 81.2 US cents this morning, and it's down just above 79 Australian cents. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9 from interest.co.nz.